Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to print and paint this 3D Deadpool head. Deadpool is a superhero movie based on Marvel Comics and played by film star Ryan Reynolds. Deadpool 2 recently came out. I actually watched it last week. It's a super funny movie and I think this 3D print definitely represents him. So right now I'm going to take this 3D print off the printing bed and remove all the supports. So right now I'm using this 180 grit sandpaper, smoothing all that out so I can go to the next stage, which is painting. So right now I'm going to use a little bit of water to make this head a little bit more shiny. And now we can go to the fun part, which is painting. Plastic is pretty tricky material to paint, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is apply a coat of primer. Primer will basically give paint a grip and something to stick to. Okay, so this is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you in the next video.